Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be putting this stock muffler on the red car. The red car currently has a Yonaka catback exhaust on it, and it actually sounds pretty decent. But with the whole going back to stock aspect of it all, I want it to be as quiet as possible. So we're going to smack that muffler on there, and the one that we're pulling off, I'm gonna keep with the car, and whenever I do go to sell it, this will stay with the car because it belongs with the rest of the exhaust system itself. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna get an exhaust clip, see how it sounds now compared to what it sounds like with the stock muffler on there. Now, warn you guys, you probably already hear it's a little windy outside today. I do apologize, but I'm doing my best to try to get like the best sound quality out of this video as possible. So I'm gonna put this down, start the car up, and here we go. So you don't have to do this, but I did it anyway. You can take the wheel off the passenger side rear, and it makes it easier to access the muffler. So the muffler is held on by 2 bolts right there at that flange, 1 hanger there, and then 2 hangers up there. Simple. Once you undo everything, just pull it out the back, set it aside, and then I'm gonna put the new muffler on there, and then we're gonna see how much quieter it is with that one. So I'll bring you guys back once I got that installed. All right, so as you can see, I got the old one off. It's actually in like excellent condition, which is cool. Got the new, to me, stock muffler on, and let's give her a go. Let's see how she sounds. Probably like fart, but it's okay. So from the inside of the car, I literally cannot hear anything. It's great. I took it on a test drive. I crossed over into VTEC, and all I could hear was motor, and it sounds glorious. And I went back and watched a video of the sound clip, and I was like, does it really sound like that? Because I legit cannot hear it. So, I mean, I'm not mad at it. It sounds great in my opinion. I was actually really surprised on how it sounded. It sounds like gurgly, if that makes sense, like really throaty. It's not a bad sound, but you also got to understand that I'm running a 4-to-1 long tube Gretty header back to an aftermarket catalytic converter, to the Yonaka exhaust, all the way back to the stock muffler. So I'd say it's pretty unique. I don't think I've ever heard anything like it before. It sounds a lot better than, you know, stock exhaust with a fart can on it. I will say that. It also sounds really good for the simple fact that it still has the cat in it. Most people don't understand that once you take that cat out, they start to sound like angry bees. You know, you watch sound clips of people who are like, I did, you know, the World Sport exhaust, which sounds fantastic whenever the cat is there. However, if you're running a test pipe or just a straight pipe, it's really loud. Sounds like a bunch of angry bees, which, you know, some people are into that. I'm not knocking anybody, but that's just not my preference by any means. So all in all, I'm really happy with the outcome of this. I think the next thing I'm going to try to tackle is I got a new rear bumper. Unfortunately, it's not the 9801 style front or rear bumper, but I was thinking about patching this with some plastic weld, but I think it's just too far gone. It's cracked all the way down in here. Unfortunately, I think it's just going to have to go. Also over here as well, I don't think it's going to be savable, unfortunately. And then I also got this rear finish panel as well. A new one of those. It's white, and I have to repaint it. And of course, I got to get another dual overhead cam VTEC emblem for it, which is fine. They're cheap enough. Other than that, the front bumper is not in bad condition, and it has a tiny crack, I want to say somewhere on it. So I'm just going to patch it up, sand it down, repaint it, and then we're going to attack the quarter panels as well. The other side is not bad at all. This side, on a scale of 1 to 10, probably about 5. I've seen a lot worse, and I fixed a lot worse before, but I want to get to this as soon as possible. It hasn't gotten any worse since I've owned this car, so that's good. But with winter coming up, it's going to be really salty on the roads, and it's just going to erode this way. So I need to get this patched. I need to get the car undercoated just to protect it. That way I don't have to do this again, or the next owner doesn't have to do it ever again, hopefully. And we'll be well taken care of there. But now we got the storm coming in. I'm gonna go inside. I appreciate you guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and be safe.